Remove and replace the indoor ice storage bin. Remove the ice storage bin by inserting your fingers into the hole at the base of the bin and squeezing the latch to release the bin from the compartment. Lift the storage bin up and pull it straight out. Replace the storage bin inside the ice compartment and push down to make sure that it is firmly in place. Indoor ice maker on-off. Refrigerator left door. To turn the indoor ice maker off, press and hold the water dispense button and the refrigerator button at the same time for 3 seconds. Applicable only for Whirlpool external water and ice dispenser models. Refer to your model's owner's manual, quick start guide, or scan the QR code on your refrigerator for additional information.